Let me assist you that Julius Malema okhuluma ngayo ukuthi he earns less than 160,000 rand per month in parliament. It's married to a child accountant, one of the most highest paying jobs in South Africa. The rarest qualification, more especially in the black community. Last time I checked, we had 57,000 child accountants and only like 9,900 and something, they were black. So you must know that it's the rarest career in South Africa. Number two, Julius Malema has companies and he has farms. Companies, they own farms. That's one thing you need to understand. Also, he has construction companies that are functioning and making him money. So lento yokhulumayo ayikho. Before you come and claim that Julius Malema cannot own a mansion because he earns 160,000 or less in parliament, please go and make your research and get what are his streams of income. Julius Malema understood that as a man, multiple streams of income is not an option, but it's a must. So for your own maybe benefit and knowledge, let me say, go and make your thorough investigation before coming to spread a wrong narrative here on social media. Thank you very much.